Hello everybody, welcome back to my workshop. In today's workshop we're going to discuss stains. Dixie Belle has two kinds of stains, water-based and oil-based. This is no paint gel stain and this is oil-based. No paint gel stain comes in different shades. It gives a fuller, deeper coverage, but it takes a little longer to dry. You want to wait 3 to 5 days for no paint gel stain to dry before you put protection on it. No paint gel stain can go over raw wood, over chalk paint or over factory finish. For no paint gel stain, I always prefer to use applicator pad. The reason I love applicator pad is make your job easier and faster for big surfaces. For water-based stain, Dixie Belle has Voodoo Gel Stain. It comes in different shades and it takes 15 minutes to dry, but the coverage is medium. Voodoo Gel Stain is easy to use, is eco-friendly and it dries fast. Also, it can be applied on a raw wood or on painted pieces. For Voodoo Gel Stain, I'm going to use a shop towel. But really, for both of these gel stains, you can use brushes, applicator pad, or some towels. Basically, you can apply however you want it. Let me show you how to use them. For stains, I always wear gloves to protect my hands. When you open the no paint gel stain, immediately you are going to notice its strong smell. What you can do is put some mask or some kind of protection over your face if you don't want to inhale those fumes. You will want to stir really good that gel stain and then you're ready to apply your stain on your pieces. What I like to do is bend my applicator pad like this. I dip just the tip of it, grabbing this much. Now to apply it, I open the pad like this. And now you simply spread it evenly with the applicator pad. If you don't grab enough stain in the first dip, just go back and dip some more. I like to keep straight strokes from front to back. If I'm working on a piece of furniture, I will go all the way from one side to another. Once you're done, you will have nice rich color and you can leave it just like that. What I do if I want it to be lighter, I grab the clean part of my applicator pad and I start removing it. I apply a little bit more pressure on my wood to get more stain out of it. That way you will show some wood grain underneath. And here is how it looks. If the darker color is what you're going after, then keep applying more coats. What you need to do is wait 24 hours between the coats. Voodoo Gel Stain is super easy. You shake it, open it and squirt it. I like to use a lot of it because it's a very light coverage compared to no paint gel stain. So now I'm going to show you how I apply it. I apply my Voodoo Gel Stain and with my cloth I'm going to spread it evenly. Now I'm going to fold my cloth, find the clean parts and remove any extra. It's a very light effect and this is how it looks when you're done. As you can see, this is the difference. One coat of no paint gel stain, one coat of Voodoo Gel Stain. And that's it. Now you know how to use Dixie Belle stains. I hope you guys enjoyed this workshop. I will see you on the next one.